Instantaneously generated. Instantly dominant. The 2025 BMW M3.
Road is just the beginning. The Lotus Emeya 2035. Instantly materialized, infinitely ahead. Listen closely as the impossible takes form. The Lotus Emeya, built for 2035 and beyond.
Witness the future of driving. The Emeya 2035. Accelerate into the impossible.
The road remembers velocity. It doesn't wait for direction. The road does not wait. Velocity. Inception.
Genesis of speed. Woven from light, driven by the future. This is the McLaren 2035. The future is not merely built, it is born. Witness the genesis of speed. The 2035 McLaren concept.
Road, it's already fast. Faster than thought, but speed isn't constant. It's generative, always creating the... The road dictates. It always has.
The road demands speed. Evolution is instant. 2035. Born ready. Mustang. Unbound.